Okay. In today we want to start with the equality operator. It is a equal to compare. It is equal operator. So in Apex actually, suppose it is a string S1 alloc S2 is a small. Okay, it is a character is a small. Starting character is a small. So here if we do it, it is a equal to operator. It will be written as a true. But if we do same thing in it is a ID, because if whenever you will create every record in a accounts, contacts, or every it has a pattern. Accounts will be 001, contact will be 003.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it is a if you create any record, every record there is a ID will be generated. Okay, you can get ID, you can get the ID. Okay, to print. So that ID value actually it is a, for example,
16-word character, right? So
it is a 2, 4, 4, 7, 9, 11, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15. It is a 15-digit character. Okay, actually, if we do a small character here, small g and capital, it is a, it just we are changing to character is a small to capital. But
yes, sir.
If we compare it, it will be as a not
False.
equal. It is a false. But here it is a case sensitive. Okay, for normal string, normal
it is
string,
not case sensitive.
Case sensitive. But here actually in ID value, it is a case sensitive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next it is a for ID it is a case sensitive. Next, what we can learn, array. In array equal to perform a deep check of all values before returning the result. Okay, it is a small program. Okay, so it is a deep check. Here we are creating it is a list of, okay, it is a list of integer. Okay, I think you do not know collection, no? Okay, so whenever I'll do, then it will be clear. Do you know any collection? Is in Java? I think no. Okay, so you are new. So this portion I will let me do it later. Okay. So,
sir, which one? Sir, the for loop one.
No, this list integer. What is list integer?
Sir, like arrays I have done.
You know, it is a okay. So till you can try to understand, but
yes, sir. Like in list A, there is new integer 5. That means we can store 5 values in this. Right?
Yes. Actually,
yes, sir, I know this.
What is the things in we can declare an array. We can declare an, suppose we want to declare an array. Because how to declare an array? Integer array. If we declare an array, suppose we need to write here integer. Okay, it is a array symbol. It's a array, and suppose int array equal to, we write new integer. It is a 3. So what it means? What is the meaning of this line? Meaning of these lines, actually, we are creating an array. You are creating an array. Array, its name is int array, but it is a size is a 3. It is
3,
a size.
yes, sir.
So we can store 3 value here. But array is a specific fixed size. But
yes, sir.
It has a dynamic array in Java.
Yes,
in object-oriented programming, even it is a Java, Python, it's a Apex. It's a 3 kinds of. Here we will use the 3 kind of collection, and we'll do a dedicated upcoming program. So list, set, and map. Just think about the what is a list. List.
So list can be append, but we can extend it.
Yes, we can append,
and we cannot. In arrays, we can't extend it.
Yes, and 100% clear is a high array is a fixed size. List is a dynamic size. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can change it. Static arrays are static. Otherwise, lists are dynamic.
Yes. So it is a small program. Here we have declared an array. It is a list. It is its size is
sir. Yes,
5.
Sir.
Its size is 5, but it is a another array C. It is a 1, 2. We 2 way we can declare. There is a 2 approach. This is one approach we have declared it. Now we are storing. Suppose I am storing here int okay. So I can store value here like say 0. I can it equals 100. Suppose again I can store value here it is, you can give here 1. You can suppose you are giving here 200. Again, you are giving value here 300. Okay. So this is the way you can store value. This is one way.
Yes, sir.
This is the one way. There is another way. There is another way. We can write another way. That way is alternate way. Here we can write here. It is 100, 200, 300. So this is another alternate way. Okay, this is another alternate way. So we can, this is one way, this is the best way, and there is another way we can declare value like it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here, so
can you just scroll up once?
Bolo. Okay, 1 minute. What is, let us say. So here actually, when I am giving the 3 value, so it is automatically, it is size is 3, and actually then we can, this array size is 3. We can print it, it will be print 3. But here I am fixed, if the size is 3, then I am storing the value 3 value. So this is, there is a 2 way we can declare an array. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here actually equality operator, there is a, so it is a definitely we are going to do more loop program, for loop program we'll do.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is a integer I equal to 0, I less than 5, I equal to less
Plus plus.
I
And then
equal to
array
plus
of
1.
I equals
So
to I plus 1.
all values are being stored. Here,
Yes, sir.
how it is showing on line number 42. Then missing closing quote character, missing closing quote character on string, missing closing quote character in string. A of I equal to 0, a I plus 1, 1 bit. Okay, this is the unnecessary character. That is the root cause.
So we have to comment that out.
Now it's gone. Okay. Here in equality operator, what it is, so it is A equal to B. Here, A, what is the size of A? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5,
A,
yes, sir.
A is actually, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B, size of B, it is a B equal to integer 5. But B, A equal to B definitely false because B just declare 5, but it is a empty value. All values are null. Null,
Yes, sir.
null. Okay. A equal to C, if we write A equal to C, this A and this C, both are equal. So
Equal.
both are equal, but this is the 2 way. One way, first we are doing initializing this way, and then
And the second way.
but both are same. But both are same.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason actually A and C is equal. Okay.
Yes,
A and
sir.
C is equal. Next program. Okay, so leave it for others. Okay. But up to this is clear to you? This
Yes,
equality?
sir.
Okay. So leave it.
So rule 4 is what, sir?
User-defined types are compared by reference, which means that 2 objects are equal if their references same location. Okay. 1 minute. It is what it is showing. If 2 objects are same, if their references, let me uncomment, it will be clear. Okay. It is a on object. Yeah, my class 2 is an on object. So
Yes, sir.
but instance of my class 2. Again, I am
Yes, sir.
getting another object name just different. Object name is different, but new my class 2. But now
Yes,
if
sir.
you compare my class 3, another object, it is a my class M3 equal to M1. That means M3 is M1, M2 is a different. Now, if we compare M1 equal to M2, M1 equal to M2, which is a two, it is instance two objects are equal if they reference at the same location, but here M1 and M2 is a different because it is a one object, it is one object. It's a reference, memory creation will be different, but a second object, since we are using the new operator, its memory location is different. So that is the M1 never will be equal to M2. M1 never will be equal because we are creating two separate objects. Every object takes a different address space of the in C program in pointer. Actually, it creates a different address. Okay, whenever you are using the new, it means it's creating an object. When it is creating object, it means it is taking a memory reference of your address. So that memory reference, M1 and M2 will be the not same. But we are storing M1 to M3. That means nothing. It is just we are copying the M1 value to M3. So if
M3 value, same address.
M3, so definitely it will be true.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
That is the that it is told. There is it.
So wait for a while. So.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, can you just scroll up?
Okay.
Okay, so done.
Okay.
Yes. And then
there is a exact always compare the it is again if we uncommitted system M1 if there is a it is a another it is a convention triple equal to. Okay, instead triple equal to, and it is called exact equality. So again it will be false because M1 is M2 is not same. Okay, it will be this is same. M1 if we write M1 not equal to M2, and definitely it will be true because it is a false means it is a true. So here actually what is the learning from this topic? We are using equality operator. That is the this equality. It is called equality operator.
So triple equal to and double equal to, will they give this different result at any point?
Actually, this is the here I have seen, but it is generally in other technology like Angular, React. They are actually use the triple equal to, but here actually it is this triple equality it is called exact equality. It is a name. It has given a name exact equality. It is quite new in Apex, but Java does not exist here. Okay, in Java there is no concept of triple equal. Yes, but here it is a exact equality. It is checking the exact equality of address. Again, it will be false.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the program. Okay, let me share you the code. You can keep.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one things I can do, I can send you the code in through mail. Or, okay, let me check whether if it is a being copy. It's okay. If we run it at least on time, we can try to run.
I have to comment out so many things and then.
Government. I'm not finding the file option. 1 minute. What happened? No, I'm not finding the file option. Why? It's a surprise. To run it, I need to, or let me check what happened. Okay, this is the overall. Okay, or multiple. We have given the multiple debug statement. So it is a overall output of the program. Okay, so let me share you the code.
Yes, sir. You share the code.
Okay. Actually, some problem is happening in Zoom chat, but it is in WhatsApp. Actually, it is properly copied. Can you note the copy from WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. I can copy from WhatsApp. Sir, I'll send it to my mail and then I'll do that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move to next program. We'll do some small program. Okay. Okay, so it is very simple for you, and just it is a revision for you. Okay, so it is a if else statement. Okay, so I
Yes, sir.
think you are already familiar with it. But
Yes,
still
sir.
you want to do it is a basic if else. So what is the if else? It is called decision making.
Yes, sir.
Decision making. It is a if condition is true. So inside if block will be okay. If it is a single line, we cannot give the okay brace curly brace. But if it is a multi-line, we have to give the curly brace. Okay.
Curly brace. Yes,
So,
sir.
so basic if and generally in combination of else also we use. Okay, if the if and else, if condition is true, then it will be go to if block. If condition is false, then it will go
We'll
to
go to
else block.
else block.
Else block. Again, so else there is a we can use the else if else
If
ladder. So
yes,
what
sir.
is a ladder? Actually, even if suppose a multiple condition, if first condition is not true, it check the second condition. Is second condition not true, it's a third condition. So it is a way, but it has a limit. You cannot in Java programming. It's restricted to up to 4 level. Generally, 4 level 2 is okay. 4, 5 maximum 4 level and 5 level, but we should not go more than that. That is a restriction in programming language. We'll go up to 4, 5 level maximum in if else. Okay, we should not do n number of if else. Okay, it is a
Sir, in this Salesforce in Apex, we have switch case also.
yes. In switch case also we can use switch case, and these are the
No,
very
no,
basic.
no. So, sir, like in Apex, there are switch case.
In Apex switch case, what's not?
Constructor, and all, everything is there.
Everything is there. Okay, we'll come one by one. Okay. So it is a if else program. So
Yes,
you
sir.
can do a very simple if else program. Okay, and it is a you can write. You can just write a okay. Just you can create a new class, and just you can take two number x equal to y equal to okay 30 and x equal to 20. So you can just a if else block you can write. Okay, so you can do it now. Okay, by yourself. I am not sharing anything, so you can share your screen and
Okay,
you
sir.
can
Yes,
write a
sir.
program. And here purpose of actually not only if else, we should learn the ternary operator or conditional operator. That is the main learning. On let me stop share. You can share. You can
Sir,
share.
I can't share you.
Yes. Anybody. Share is.
Yes, sir.
Create a
Yes,
new
sir. Okay, so yes, I'm creating a new file. Apex class. With the name of the file. Conditional operator.
Conditional operator. Okay, there should not be any pace. Conditional.
Yes. Yes. Now here I'll write public static.
Yes.
Void
My method. So just declare two integer value and write
Yes,
a
sir.
if else program. Okay, write a if else program. If block, otherwise it will go to else block. Just write it.
Sir, I don't have to write using ternary operator.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
I don't have to use the ternary operators.
Yes. You know the ternary operator, or you are familiar?
Yes, sir,
with
I
the
know about the ternary operator.
Okay,
Hello?
so you can, okay, if you, so then
So
write
if you
this-
want, I can do with the if X
Okay.
is
Okay, yes, go with the if else program.
yes, sir. Y system.debug. Oh, what is this happening? Debug.
You can write X is greater than Y.
Else. Debug.
Yes.
So I have to save the code.
Save and click on checkbox in open log.
So I have to write here the name now. Conditional operator dot my method.
Yes.
So no symbol.
The semicolon. Okay, 1 minute. Semicolon at the end. No.
Okay, sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Y is greater than X.
Okay, so next, convert this program to here you write a conditional ternary operator. That is called ternary operator
Okay,
or
sir.
conditional operator. We go to code.
Ternary.
Next, okay, you can enter and okay, do this program.
Sir,
You
I have to write question mark X dot.
You can keep it. Okay, go. Okay,
Right,
keep it.
sir.
Okay, you can keep it. Write in line number 11.
Have I done right?
Write in line number 11. Okay, do not keep it. Remove it.
Okay, sir. Oh, sir, I have to write again the.
Yes, line number 11 you can write.
Yes, sir. If X greater than Y.
No, it is
Then,
not type.
so
Typing is not open.
Question mark X Y. Sir, have I done right?
Yes. No, there will be no if block. There will be no if block. There will be no.
Yes,
if
sir.
block. You just write.
So So what I need to write then?
Okay. So you need to suppose, okay, you write a integer z, right? Integer z
Integer
z
Z
equal to
equal
okay, x
yes.
greater than y equal to x or y. Okay, semicolon at the end, semicolon.
Yes, sir.
And enter, just enter
System.debug.
System.debug and value of z. So
Z.
which is the greater than,
Yes, sir.
which condition is true, and what is the output? That output will be print. Okay, z will be the output value.
So your voice is cracking.
It is a issue with the lab. 1 minute. Let me use this microphone.
Sir, have I done right?
Yes, write system.debug. System.debug. Okay. Now is it okay? Voice is okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Now voice is okay. Yes, sir. So, sir, I'll save it.
Save.
Debug.
No, it is a high. It is not, error is not going. Okay, 1 minute. Can you check and go to the problems? Integer z equal to x. Oh, you have commented 5 and 6. You uncomment line number 5 and 6.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry. Now, file. Save. No problem. Then debug. Execute. Debug. Yes, sir. 30 showing.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So we are familiar with the conditional operator. Okay.
So shall I stop sharing?
Yes, you stop share.
Yes.
No. So basic things already covered. Now today onwards we want to move with the loop. Okay. You already familiar with the loop, but still we want to touch the loop actually. 1 minute. I will explain everything. For example, looping.
So you didn't share that code. So you didn't share that code with in WhatsApp?
Okay. Which code?
Sir, that previous one.
Okay, previous one. Okay, previous day code.
So conditional class, this is right there. So you just go and copy that.
Okay.
Conditional class.
Do I need to share the code, or it is required?
Yes, sir. It will be better for me because if I'll go through this again, you have written it very nicely. That's why.
Okay. Nice. Here is another good example. Suppose we have compared 2 numbers.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
comparing 3 numbers. It is a.
Yes, sir. Then we have to apply 3 ternary operators.
Just a minute. Okay. Ask. Hello. আচ্ছা পড়াচ্ছি মা আমি হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে এগুলো রেখে দাও হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে তোমাকে পড়াবো হ্যাঁ কালকে পড়বো আজকে তো রাত হয়ে গেছে এবার যাও দিদা হ্যাঁ আপনার পড়ানো হচ্ছে বাবা সব না আচ্ছা 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 কাল কাল আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে super excited actually.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So we'll stop here then. You continue.
Actually, the things is okay. Okay, anyway, okay, you can continue. So it is a three number. Okay, try to understand three number.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How we can compare the three number? It is a P first. Okay, try to understand. First number is 9, and second number
Yes,
is
sir.
9. So 9
Yes, sir.
is it true or false?
Sir, false. So it
False.
will go to the second one.
Go to not this
Direct.
block. It will
Yes,
go
sir.
to second block. So
Yes,
it
sir.
will
Second
now
block.
come to Q. So okay. Okay.
So Q is greater than R, false, then it will print R, which is 110. Yes.
Now
clear.
Q is 79, R is 110.
Yes, sir.
So
It is false.
Okay, it is a false. So R will be
Yes,
true.
sir.
So final
sir.
output will be the maximum will be okay 100.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So share the code in WhatsApp.
So enter code and share. So it is a conditional good example.
Yes, sir.
তুমি পড়াশোনা করবে? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। Okay, so I have sent in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next program.
So looping class. So you have opened it here, looping class already.
Okay. So now we want to familiar with the loop. Okay. Very.
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে পড়াই মা এখন পড়াচ্ছি তো আমি তুমি চুপচাপ বসো এখানে বসতে পারো তুমি বসতে পারো চুপচাপ বসো তুমি প্রচুর কাজ করছো টায়ার্ড হয়ে গেছে একটু রেস্ট নাও আচ্ছা Okay, so there is a three loops. There is a three kind of loop. One is the what is a while loop, do while loop, for loop.
And for loop. Yes.
Loop, concept of loop, but loop is easy. But in during programming, every time we have to use the loop. Okay, so basic concept of loop should be clear. So it is a first program. Just try to understand. It is a first program in while loop. So while loop, we have declared a value. Very simple example: I equal to 1. And we are trying to find out the total of the 10 numbers. Okay, first 9 numbers or 10 numbers we can add. So it is a I equal to condition. Okay, in while loop, first it will check the condition. So if it is a I equal to 1, I1 is less than 10, true or false, it will check. So then it will be total. It is a shorthand of total equal to total plus I. Total is a 0. So 0 plus I means 0 plus I means 1. Okay. So now I equal to I plus 1, it is mean I equal to 2. Again, 2 is less than 10. So then again, it is a checking. Then this is the way actually it will check out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 1 to 9. If you sum 1 to 9 number, then it will be summation will be 45.
Yes, sir.
Summation will be 45. So this is the loop. In while loop, what is the learning? While loop, it first check the condition. First check the condition, then it check. Okay, so every time it will check the condition first, And if condition is true, it will go to the inside the loop. If condition is false, then it will go outside of the loop. Okay. So next, we need to familiar with the do while loop. What is a do while loop? In do while loop, first it same program we have written in do while loop.
Loop. Yes, sir.
Do while loop, first we need whatever the things, it will go inside the loop. At least one time it will go inside the loop. So
At the end, it will check the condition.
at the end, okay. So first it is a 1 plus 1, it is a 2 greater less than 10. Again it is a condition. So again it will go inside do loop, and that is the way. Actually, the moment it will be 9 or 10, then it will go outside of the loop. So then again output will be the same.
Yes, sir. In do while loop, at least once the condition, once the statement will print. But in for loop and while loop, if the condition doesn't satisfy, it won't even go for once.
Yes, it will not go inside the loop. At
Yes.
least one time it will not execute. Okay, next
Yes, sir.
comes to the
But
for loop.
do loop, it goes
At
inside
least
the loop.
execute once. It do loop, it will execute once.
Hmm.
Okay, in for loop, and generally in programming times and majority time we will use the for loop. Majority time,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll use the for loop. Okay, so
So for loop, you have written here while also.
okay, no, it should, yeah, it is a okay non-matrix. It should not be there. Okay, it will be okay in for loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a initialization, condition, and increment or decrement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then it will be for loop is it is a more compact, and it is a until unless it will conditionally false, it will be execute, and it will be the same output will be happen. Okay. So next, it is what is the difference between for loop? It is a initialization, condition, and increment. And while loop, it will check the condition. And do loop only, it will go to inside the loop at least one time, and then it will check the condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the very simple program. Okay, you can also, okay, I'll share the code, and you can, in your suitable time, you can practice this code.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, let me share code to you. Okay, so these are the basic loop. Next, how to learn actually new things in it is called for each loop. Okay, we need to learn a new things that is called for each loop. Okay, let me explain. Okay, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
So this training actually পরে কথা বল training শেষ. Okay, so now we need to learn আরো খেলনা আনবো. Program for each.
Mummy.
Wait. Accident করতো মা পা ভেঙে দিও, পা ভেঙে, না ওখানে বসে যায় না. ওখানে বসে, ওখানে বসো, ওই চেয়ারে বসো, ওখানে বসো, ওখানে বসো, ওখানে বসো। পড়ে পড়ে যাবে। হুম হুম ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। হুম ল্যাপটপ, এই তো ল্যাপটপ চলছে। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এখানে পড়ো, এখানে পড়ো। Okay, so try to understand, this is a new concept. It is called for each loop, and it is a are you at all familiar, or it is a new you are learning?
Sir, I'm hearing for this for first time.
Okay, so first time. Okay, let me. Okay, it is a for me it is a exception. It is a for my daughter actually it is the first time. It is after a long pandemic, and she is the first time, and it is a such a naughty actually, such a it is a is very enter from morning to it is a I was surprised actually to see her.
So kids are like this only.
Hmm. Okay. Today I have to run Janagana Manaradi. Actually, it is a national anthem at least 15 times. Okay, I have to. Okay, very difficult to manage. Okay, I am thinking if she stays, how I'll manage that training for TCS.
So you do work from home only. So you don't go to the actual office, or you do.
It's a till it is a TCS. Everything is happening work from home, and actually in Salesforce, entire things is happened to the remotely. Okay, and because my students are across India, whom I am they're across India, some are out
So
of.
you stay near in Kolkata?
Kashpa, Baliganj, near Baliganj.
Oh, acha, you stay near Baliganj. Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
পরে 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 এখন হবে না জনগণ, জনগণ হবে না এখন। হ্যাঁ, okay, so it is a first time you are learning, so it is a very interesting and majority time, and it has a huge implementation of the just a minute. Okay, chalo.
Yes.
আচ্ছা বসবে। আচ্ছা কি লাগবে, কি দেখতে চাই ল্যাপটপে? হ্যাঁ, ওখানে কিছু চলে না তো। তোমার জনগণও লাগবে? আচ্ছা জনগণ। Okay, just come on 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yes.
হ্যাঁ, আস্তে আস্তে চলছে। হ্যাঁ, okay, so it is a for each loop. For each loop, actually, it is a, we are not writing here like I equal to 1, I less than, it is a increment or decrement operator. Okay, just you think about the for loop. Okay, this is the for loop for I equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus, total equal to total plus 1. So here you are iterating the same thing, but it is a okay in for each loop. Are you able to hear? Come on. Okay. So here actually we are storing the value. It is this array contains all value. So we want to iterate. There is a 2 option. We can iterate using for loop.
Yes, sir. Record video.
Okay, so if you write, okay, there is a 2 approach. One is it is a normal for loop, and one is using for each loop. It is called for loop. It is a normal for loop. On which Okay, so you need to write array dot size. Array dot size.
Size.
Okay, and this is the normal for loop. But majority cases in upcoming programs, we will do lots of program, but we will use the for each loop. Same program. What is the new way we can write? That is called for each loop. Here you are just declaring value colon these array, same array. Okay. Same array, and we're iterating it x equal to ARR, and then it is a iterate. So if you iterate the value, the same value will be print up. Okay, so you can write it. Okay, so it is a first we have used the simple for loop. Okay, hello Komal.
Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you.
First is simple for loop, and second same program we have used the
Each loop for each loop.
It is called for each loop. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the new learning for you. For each loop, and for each loop will be used majority of the time. For each loop will be used for majority time. Till we start with the 0 nots. Majority of the time we'll use the for each loop.
Okay. So this one, right? For yes, this we have just written in very simple in text. It is there. Right?
Very simple. It is a very simple in for each loop, and majority time in upcoming many program in database. We'll tomorrow or not. Next day we will start the SOQL. And yes, SOQL is a select star from table, but we need to iterate the value. So during iteration, majority time upcoming programs we will use the for each loop.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we can end up to here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am thinking, Komal, actually, how will manage tomorrow my TCS training. CTCA, she is actually, if I close the door, she is actually okay. This
beating
is very
it
to manage. Okay.
Yes, sir. She will be beating it. You open it. Open.
Now beside me, she is and actually entire day today 15 to 20 times. Actually, this even I have done it on recording also.